Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a South Indian filter coffee at your home. So for this filter coffee, what you need, here is the filter which I got it from South India, Chennai, and here is the coffee powder. So here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coffee powder into this. If you want more strong coffee guys, you can add 1 teaspoon of Nescoffee also into this, and so I added 2 tablespoon of coffee powder, and I'm going to drop like this so that it will be equal, and I'm going to keep this one here, and into this I'm going to add the boiling water. So I'm going to add the hot water into this. So we have to put the water until up to this. So can you see the round thing inside? So up to this we have to cover with the water. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So this filter coffee, it cost I think 350 rupees in Chennai guys. So you will get in all the stores. So for the coffee we have to boil the milk. So I am putting the milk in the vessel, and I am going to keep this one in the gas. So we have to wait until it boils. So here my decoction is ready, and when the milk is started boiling, we have to add that decoction into this. So I'm going to add this milk into this glass. So I added the milk in the glass, and here I'm going to add this decoction into this, and I'm going to add this milk like this. And I'm adding a little bit of sugar into this, and I'm going to add this one like this. So I added some sugar, and here I'm adding some more decoction. And I'm going to do like this. So in the hotels they do like this. And my South Indian filter coffee is ready. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make a South Indian filter coffee at your home. See you soon in my another video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.